Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to construct a website using Google Workspace in roughly 5 minutes. Whether you need a professional portfolio, a landing page for your company, or a personal blog, Google Workspace provides a streamlined, intuitive interface that simplifies the entire process. To begin, head over to the Google Workspace homepage. This serves as your primary hub for all Google integrated tools, including site creation and hosting services. Once you arrive at the page, pick the specific Google account you want to link to this project. You can use a personal profile or a dedicated business email, but ensure it is the correct one as it will be tied to your site permanently. After selecting your account, carefully type in your password to maintain security and then click the Next button to proceed. Now, look for the grid of square dots located in the upper right corner, often called the Google Apps icon. Clicking this opens a menu of various services. From this list, locate the Sites option. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down a bit depending on your active services. Clicking this icon will take you to the main dashboard where the design process begins. On this dashboard, you have two paths. Start from a blank canvas by clicking the large plus icon or select a pre-made template. For those new to this, I suggest using a template to save time and get design inspiration for your layout. Now you can start adding your content. This is the fun part where you give the site its character. You can easily drag and drop various elements like text boxes, images, or videos into position. Feel free to play around with the placement to match your specific vision. When you are happy with the design, it is time to go live. Locate and click the Publish button to transition your project from a private draft to a public website. You will then be asked to create a web address. Try to pick something straightforward and relevant to your brand so people can find you easily. After finalizing your URL, hit the Publish button once more to confirm. Congratulations, your new website is now officially online. This concludes our brief tutorial on using Google Workspace for web development. It is impressive how accessible building a site can be with these tools. Remember that this is just the start, as Google Sites offers many more advanced customization features for you to discover. Thank you for joining us and enjoy building your site.